Today, we're comparing two popular treadmills on the market, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're diving into what makes each product stand out. Whether you're in the market for a new treadmill or just curious about the latest in fitness technology, this comparison is for you. When it comes to price and value, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 steps in with a lean price tag of $249, offering a $49 without skimping on quality. Reviewers praise its sturdy build and aesthetic appeal, making it a great value for the price. On the other hand, the UMAY Treadmill, priced at $369, impresses with its powerful performance and a compact design. Though it comes at a higher price, users find it to be a great investment for optimizing their fitness setup without sacrificing space. In the realm of technology and features, the JURITS Walking Pad boasts an advanced design that ensures it stays on track, alongside a powerful yet quiet motor, allowing users to exercise without disturbing others. Reviewers particularly enjoy the convenience of walking while working, increasing their productivity. The UMAY Treadmill, however, brings to the table a quiet brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 8.7 mph and includes pulse sensors for heart rate monitoring, making it a compelling choice for those looking for a robust fitness solution. When considering convenience and storage, the JURITS is lauded for its portability and ease of storage, fitting perfectly under beds or sofas. It's described as a quiet, comfortable addition to any home, especially for those living in apartments. The UMAY Treadmill, with its folding design and hydraulic system, offers a seamless setup experience, unfolding gently without risking damage to floors. Its sleek design and easy maneuverability make it a favorite among users with limited space. After-sales service and warranty are crucial for long-term satisfaction. The JURITS Walking Pad offers a lifetime warranty, signaling strong confidence in their product and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Reviews highlight responsive customer service, liking it to having a gym buddy always ready to assist. The UMAY Treadmill provides a 5-year warranty on the frame and a year for parts with its UMAY Care service, ensuring users feel supported throughout their fitness journey. This level of care and warranty coverage makes both treadmills appealing for those valuing peace of mind. Overall, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 receives praise for its affordability, quiet operation, and portability, making it an excellent option for those looking to integrate more movement into their daily routine without breaking the bank. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is celebrated for its compact design, powerful performance, and sleek look, appealing to users seeking a robust and efficient addition to their home workout setup. There you have it, our comparison of the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Each product has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for affordability and quiet operation or a compact and powerful fitness solution. Remember, the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle and workout needs. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, links to both products are in the description. Stay fit and make informed decisions.